So the social determinants of health are the environment in which we are born in, that we grow up in, that we live in every day.
The social determinants of health are those aspects of life that impact our ability to live well and to live long.
Healthy access to food, to clean water, to places to be physically active.
Our ability to pay our utilities.
An accessible job that you have transportation to, that you make a living wage at.
And then also the environment in which we live. Is it a safe environment, or is there violence or domestic issues?
And it's been proven that these affect our health outcomes more than our genetics and even our access to health care.
At MedCenter Health, for each of our inpatients, we perform a social determinant of health assessment. And there's a series of 26 questions.
We've got to go on a deeper level with patients. We can't just assume that they have the resources to get out of whatever situation they're in health-wise. So we've got to ask more questions, maybe some uncomfortable questions about, do they have enough food at the end of the month? Do they have clean, affordable housing to go home to after their hospital stay?
And we sit down and it's a discussion that we have with patients. It's not yes and no questions, and it's a conversation to truly assess the environment in which our patients live.
We've got to get in and really get to know those patients on a deeper level so that we can then in turn help them internally or externally with resources that we have in the community.
You know, one of the things I think is interesting is that for a lot of us where maybe stable housing or food insecurity isn't an issue, we constantly have people within our sphere of influence who do have those challenges. And so it's a call to action as a community, as a society, for us to become more aware, more informed.
So to be more aware of the social determinants of health and how they impact our communities at MedCenter Health, you can do a couple things. You can Google. So if you just Google social determinants of health, you're going to get tons of information.
And when there's food drives, maybe it's at your local church, or maybe it's in some sort of civic group, for us to actively participate with those folks, I think it's just a calling for all of us to be able to contribute to the well-being and the welfare of our common man and women that we have, that we live beside of day in and day out.